here to address the Placer County circulation element. I mean, there's rapid growing communities, both Sacramento County, Placer County, and then the City of Roseville. And as you can see behind me, this is a pretty main roadway. So Dewberry's role in this project was the prime design consultant, and they managed the project. We did the environmental documents, all the technical studies for the hydraulics and the geotech, and we oversaw the whole project. And then we worked closely with the county and Caltrans to make sure that we did all the design and addressed all the environmental impacts, and then constructed the project.
One of the major elements that it does provide for the community is it provides connectivity from this park that's a community, Dry Creek Community Park. Did not have connection to the north. There's no pathways and no bike lanes or anything like that. So this facility is a multimodal facility for all modes of travel. So you can have bicyclists drive safely across here, and not to mention the Class 1 facilities that we have on each side of the bridge that connect the park from the south to the north side of the creek. There's also another benefit is that there's a school and the church on south end. There's a lot of development on the north side, and they wouldn't allow their kids to ride their bikes or anything across there. So now the kids can safely ride their bikes across and go from one side to the other. The other benefit, of course, is that you have a full 4-lane facility with turn lanes at the intersections are signalized, and then at this park location, there's a full intersection with turn pockets so they can safely get in and out of the facility.
So one of Dewberry's big concerns, along with the client's big concerns and the community, are environmental impacts. And we spent a lot of time and did a lot of technical studies to really understand what we have environmentally with the dry creek around here. And we had to address the riparian habitat. You know, there's a lot of nesting birds at the site, salmon, steelhead. And so we really spent a lot of time doing 2 studies. We actually complied with the California Environmental Quality Act, which is the state, and then we also complied with the National Environmental Policy Act on the federal side.
Members of the Dewberry team worked with county staff to come up with our funding needs and helped us find funding for the project. I think the biggest asset was the people that worked on the team. We had a great team, fun to work with, super responsive. Probably the biggest thing, we needed help finding money. The Dewberry team helped us find money to build this great project. Also just delivered plans and construction documents that were biddable. The project came in under budget, so that was a huge thing too, and it's huge testimony to Dewberry's work.